As President and CEO of Alpha 8 Corporation, I would like to thank everyone for attending today 2026 Air Asia. And of course, I'd like to thank our hairdressers, our hairstylists, the salon owners, and most especially Miss Evelyn for making this event possible. Thank you, Miss Evelyn. Always stay healthy and gorgeous. And Alpha 8 Corporation is here to award everyone a good quality, FDA approved and reliable, and will create and help you succeed together. We understand that these are times that is not so easy for the salon industry because of the crisis going on. And to give some good news to everyone, Alpha 8 Corporation remain supportive to all our salon industry. That's why the management system of Create Salon of Alpha 8 Corporation, just like what happened to Create Salons and some salons that we are very supportive, we remain our price the same. So that's a good news for everyone. As a matter of fact, we have a good pasabog to each and everyone, to all the stylists. And our promotions day is very unique. Our booth is located with a giant LED behind you. So just visit us there and we'll give our support to each and everyone. In an industry where trust is everything, using safe and compliant products speak volumes about integrity as beauty professional. And today we are very honored that we have in our booth influencers who are end users like Lou Sanchez and a lot of influencers. So just visit us in the booth and they will testify what we are talking about and what good product Alpha 8 can deliver to all of your salons. Alpha 8 Corporation, we do not only provide products, we provide support, learnings, calculations on how your business will grow. Because in Alpha 8 Corporation, we do not believe in luck. Hindi ho kami naniniwala sa swerte. Pero kayang gawin namin ang swerte. We create our own luck. And that's why so many salons that we have partnered succeeded. Like Create Salon, Chroma, Color My Hair, Nook, and so on, and Stephen Dazzle as well. We help them succeed because this industry, salon industry, is so vital nowadays because of the crisis and the government as well, with the corruptions, what's happening. Alpha 8 Corporation will always be there to give you luck, bundled with math, calculations, science, analysis, marketing support, product trainings, educations, etc. Alpha 8 Corporation will always be there to support you all the way. And that's our commitment and that's our goal. So if you want to become successful in the industry, learn the math, learn the science, learn the business and allow us, Alpha 8 Corporation, to give you those details. Me, myself, and my team. And today, we have a very special guest from the Department of Trade and Industry, so to give you some insights and significance, what is DTI relevant to our salon industry. So may I call on